Magandang hapon guys! This is Merlina Dura, Tagalogbisaya Riyadh. Ito na ang update. This is the update of the reception here in Al-Mawid Medical Center. This is now the result of the repair, the back job of the reception here in Al-Mawid Medical Center. Because before it was too high for the receptionist. This is Apnan. Before Apnan, you cannot see Munira. Yeah. Hello. You see hello? Because you will be in YouTube. Before it was too high, you cannot see even Afnan before. Where where is she? Where is Afnan? You cannot see. You cannot find if you will stand up front to her when she is inside the reception. So now this one, Afnan, you can see Afnan, Munira, everybody you can see now because it's above the umbilicus, below the chest, the height now. My height is 5 feet and 2 inches. Okay? Yeah, and again, here's Miriam there. Yeah, this is now the reception. It looks good because they will not be hardly to see the patient standing while asking the patient what the patient needs. So now,
what you want to the patient?
Yes, and then they are hardly to get the ikama, the identification of the information. So now it is easy for them to communicate with the patient who are lining to get their appointments of the doctors, and then appointments to whatever ultrasound, dental, or OB/GYN. This is now, it's better than before. See. Munira, lasim kalam kabir kapir. Kabir. Da kabir kapir.
لازم والله.
ما في مشكلة هذا؟ ثلاثة في موجود. كويس. ما أبغى هذا تاني كبير. هذا كبير فوق سمسم. ما في. إيش هذا for you will check
كوفي. هذا ماكينة كوفي. وين هذا عايش له؟ أخذ الزيت.
لا ما يجي.
هذا شوف.
هنا.
لا. لازم هيك.
Okay. It's now working. Yeah, good. Yeah. You see, Munira is cleaning. Okay, guys, that's all for the reception. Newly, the back job, new repair, and it was done perfect. Yeah. Perfect for the receptionist. They can communicate well to the patient. Okay, thank you for watching, and thank you for the likes and subscribe, guys. Sa mga wala pa, mahal ko kayo. I love you.
Thank you.